after debuting the exterior design of the new Cadillac CT5 in March. The premium brand offers some technical details about its upcoming replacement for the CTS. Buyers have 2 engines and 3 trim levels to pick from. The CT5 comes standard with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that produces 237 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Customers who want more performance can opt for a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 that makes 335 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. Both powerplants hook up to a 10-speed automatic, and buyers can select between standard rear drive or optional all-wheel drive. The premium sedan has lots of tech, both standard and optional. The vehicle comes standard with adaptive remote start that lets owners remotely set the interior temperature, seat heating or ventilation, and steering wheel heating. Cadillac's Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving system is also available. All variants of the CT5 come standard with safety tech like forward collision alert, front pedestrian braking, automatic emergency braking, and reflective LED windshield collision alert. The premium luxury and sport add standard lane change alert, rear cross traffic alert, rear park assist, and an auto-dimming rear-view mirror. The 2 top grades are optional with adaptive cruise control, enhanced automatic emergency braking, automatic parking assist, follow distance indicator, front park assist, surround view camera, head-up display, lane keep assist, rear camera mirror, rear pedestrian alert, reverse automatic braking, and automatic high beams. The CT5 is available in the premium luxury, and sport trims. The latter 2 are available with an optional platinum package that adds lots of extra equipment. Semi-aniline leather covers the upholstery. The front seats have heating, ventilation, massage, and 18-way adjustments. Carbon fiber trim decorates the cabin, and drivers grip a thick rooming steering wheel with magnesium shift paddles. The CT5 will go on sale this fall. Cadillac won't announce the pricing until closer to launch.